Welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to zip and unzip files on Windows, the easiest way to compress files and open. Downloaded zipped folders. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate your files or folder. Find the files or folder you want to zip. It's best to keep them all in one place before compressing. Step 2. Zip the files. Right-click on the file or folder. From the menu, hover over Send To, and then select Compressed Zipped Folder. Windows will instantly create a new zipped folder in the same location. Step 3. Rename the zipped folder, optional. Click on the zipped folder name to rename it if needed. This is helpful for organization before sharing or saving. Step 4. Unzip a zipped folder. To extract files, right-click the zipped folder. Choose Extract All from the menu. Pick a location to save the unzipped files, then click Extract. Step 5. Access your files. The extracted folder will open, and you can now use your files normally. The original zipped folder will still be there if you need to send it again. And that's it. Now you know how to zip and unzip files on Windows. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you'd like me to show you next.